death toll has risen to 88 in the nation's deadliest attack in 2 years. The number of fatalities in Thursday's suicide attack is expected to rise further as dozens of the injured are in a critical condition. 3 days of mourning are underway, with flags to be flown at half-mast until Sunday. And in the city of Karachi, a vigil was held for victims of the bombing. Following the attack, which saw a bomber blow himself up among devotees at the crowded shrine, the Pakistan Army launched a nationwide crackdown on terrorism. A whopping 100 terrorists were killed by the military following the shrine bombing, which has been claimed by the Islamic State militant group.